So much of the work around organisational sense making, from a personal perspective, as the person who's constructed the diagnostic, has come from over 30 years of a relationship with the School of Management at the University of Bath. So postgraduate full-time study over 30 years ago, which led into teaching, researching, which is still ongoing, doctoral study, graduation in that scientific area. And the common thread has been the interest and the examination of social events through mainly organisational sense making as the specific scientific lens. And that is still ongoing today. We're still involved in research projects, in fact with a local police force. We're still involved in a research project and are producing reports that are of practical importance for that police force and of hopefully scientific interest to a wider scientific and practitioner audience. As an organisation, we've worked with the University of Bath to research and validate our approach to make sure that we're not making this up on the hoof. And the main learning that we've had from the grant-funded research that we've had, the government grant-funded research we've had with the University of Bath, is in two areas. One, it's a full validation that the approach and the dynamic approach of organisational sense making is fit for purpose and, more importantly, fit for the time, because it reflects the fast-moving nature and the complexity of organisations, that you can comprehend the whole in a general way that actually is more accurate than sometimes the particular. Because to get to the particular, time means that you've lost the opportunity. In terms of validating the collection of data, the research with the university very clearly gave us the options of how to collect the data. Do we go the multiple choice, the rational, the logical route, or do we go with the more intuitive binary method of collecting the data? So it set us up with a very clear choice to make sure that we didn't cross over. What it also enabled us to look at is how to try and identify specific areas of interest from the clues or cues that we're looking at. So the questions that we ask, which we call clues, have been constructed to get specific pieces of information that may not necessarily be clear to the people that are answering those questions or clues. So it gave us some clarity. It gave us scientific clarity, and it gave us a report process on the way that we both collect the data and the philosophy that underpins it.